How to change Outlook view back to normal. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily do that. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Outlook. And if you are having trouble with the View tab here, what you have to do is go to the View option at the top. Then you can find the message sections, click on it, and then click on Conversation. Now go to Message List, and from here, you can just make sure that the group message list is turned off, so you can click on Do Not Group Messages. And once that is done, you can just click on it again, go to Conversations, go to Reading pane, and you can just click on Show All Messages from Selected Conversation. If this is grayed out, then what you're going to have to do is just select any one of them. Click on this and then go to here, click on Show Preview Text Preview. And then go back here, go to Conversation. On the Reading pane, you can just make sure that you select the second option. So click on the first one here, and whenever you click on any one of these, you will be able to see the preview right here. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.